Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan nama saya Tiara Octaviana, NIM 502120015. Sini saya akan menjelaskan atau membacakan tugas perekonomian Indonesia saya dengan dosen pengampu Bapak Fadhil Mubarak, SSI, MSc. Yang pertama, tempe, a traditional fermented food of Indonesia and its health benefits. Abstract, tempe is a traditional Indonesian fermented product. Indonesian health law, consume tempe as an affordable and inexpensive source of protein. Referensi, Romulo A. Surya R. 2021, a traditional fermented food of Indonesia and its health benefit, International Journal of Gastronomy and Food Science 26/10/04/13. 2. Integration of health service for the elderly in Asia, a scoping review of Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia. Abstract, against the backdrop of rapidly aging population, we will not only integrate various healthcare services for the elderly to ensure better coordinated care, but also the rapid cost inflation caused primarily by the traffic sector. Referensi IAJ Tang PFY 2021, Integration of Health Service for the Elderly in Asia, Scoping Review of Hong Kong, Singapura, Malaysia, Indonesia. Yang ketiga, Reviewing Social Forestry Schemes in Indonesia, Opportunities and Challenges. Abstract, historically, social forestry in Indonesian country were precedents for rural involvement and poverty remedy in region surrounding forests. Referensi Rakatama A. Padika 2020, Reviewing Social Forestry Schemes in Indonesia, Opportunities and Challenges, Forest Policy and Economic 111/10/2052. Yang keempat, Universal Health Coverage in Indonesia Concept, Progress and Challenge. Abstract, Indonesia in a fast-growing middle-income country with 260 million people from more than 300 ethnic group and 730 language group across 17,74 Island, presenting unique challenge to the health system and universal healthcare atau UHC. Referensi Agustina R. Datante, Sitompul R. et al. 2019, Universal Health Coverage in Indonesia, Concept, Progress and Challenge, The Lancet 393 pp 75102. Kelima, Head Stress and Fertility. Abstract, Science Bull Fertility can be adversely tormented by warm humid situation. The foray boom in worldwide temperature is of challenge for Destiny Farm Animal Manufacturing. Referensi Jen M. Moral GM 2020, Head Stress and Bull Fertility Terminology Sekelematika PP 62-67. 6. Review sperm comparative morphology and function related to altered reproductive strategies and fertility mammals. Abstract, reproduction and development are fascinating process that show significant difference between mammals. Referensi Thompson, SK, Kuchi, N.A. Now et al. 2018, Reviews Comparative Morphology and Function related to altered reproductive strategies and fertility in mammals. The Professional Animal Science 34 pp 558-565. 7. Effect of environmental contaminants on fertility and reproductive health. Abstract. Recent studies suggest that the human fertility chain is increasing. Referensi MAY PHK et al. 2019, Effect of Environmental Continent on Fertility and Reproductive Health, Jurnal Environmental Science 77 PT 210 sampai 217. 8. Biocar application to low fertility soils, review of current status and future prospect. Abstract, rapid industrial development and human activity have resulted in poor soil quality and fertility. Referensi Nazar A. Lee S. S. Thinkable G. et al. 2019, Biocar application to low fertility soil, review of current status and future prospect. Bioderma 337 pp 536 sampai 554. 9. The benefits of territorial repair for achieving pregnancy in male infertility, systematic review and meta-analysis. After introduction, Varicocele is one of the most common variable cause of male infertility. However, the decision to perform varicocele resection before starting the fertility program remains controversial. Referensi Birowo P. Tendiwi Widiahni IS et al. 2020 di Benefit of Varicocele Repair for achieving pregnancy in male infertility, a systematic review and meta-analysis harian 6 E05439. 10. Coral reef conservation in Bali in light of international best practice, literature review. Abstract, located in Indonesia, Coral Triangle, Bali, Indonesia is international landmark for its wide variety of coral reefs. Referensi Bob Z. AAM PAU et al. 2022 Coral Reef Conservation in Bali in light of international best practice, literature review, Journal for Nature Conservation 67 12 6190. 11. Tempoyak, fermented durian, types of Malay acting and its functional properties. Abstract, tempoyak is a fermented durian that made by adding salt to offered durian. Referensi Raja Guguk P. Arnold M. 2022, tempoyak fermented durian types of Malay ethnic and its functional properties, International Journal of Gastronomy and Science 23/10/0297. 12. An overview on the preparation of biocar factor affecting its properties and its agricultural application. Abstract, rice production countries need to manage abundant rice residues in a sustainable manner to avoid environmental problems. Referensi Karam DS Naga Bopanali Perajoka S. et al. 2022 and overview on the preparation of rice biocar factor effective properties and agricultural application, Journal of the Saudi Society of Agricultural Science 21 pp 149 sampai 159. 13. Female urogenital chlamydia. Epidemiologi chlamydia pregnancy, current diagnosis and treatment. After female genitourinary chlamydia is a disease caused by chlamydia trachomatitis infection in the female genitourinary system. Referensi Cahyadi de Ropi B. Sadra Prawira KD et al. 2022, female urogenetica chlamydia, epidemiology chlamydia on pregnancy, current diagnosis and treatment, Annals of Medicine and Surgery 75/10/348. designate effective Wolbachia release program for mosquito and arbovirus control. Abstract mosquito carrying endobiotic bacteria Wolbachia released by mosquito and arbovirus control program around the world. Two major approaches. Referensi Roche PA21 designate effective Wolbachia release program for mosquito and arbovirus control of Akta Tropika 222-1060-45. Refugee woman 15. Refugee woman experience with contraceptive care after resettlement in high income countries. Article interpretive systems. Abstract refugee women often share the stories of forced displacement, economic hardship, or gender-based violence and may face common barriers to reproductive health care. Access after resettlement in high-income countries. Referensi Colmeiers M.A. Karachi F. Muriki M. F. A. 2022 Refugee Women Experience with Contraceptive Care After Resettlement in High-Income Countries, Critical Interpretive Synthesis Contraception 18 pp 7-18. 16. Scientists and clinicians experience with cross-border reproductive care as systematic review. Abstract, the review analyzes the experience of scientists and recipients involved in international cross-border assisted reproductive technology (CBRC) for conception purpose. Referensi McCain L. Ross St. Holland C. et al. 2022 Parenting and Clinician Experience with Cross-Border Reproductive Care, Systematic Review, Parent Education and Counseling. 17. Global Analysis of Field Benefit and Risk from Integrating Case with Price and Implication for Agroforestry Research in Africa. Abstract, in agroforestry in an interbasic approach to agroecology and assessment, but this is less integrated with stress that other annual step foods. Referensi Rodenburg G. Molly F. Q. et al. 2022 Global Analysis of Yields, Benefit, and Risks from Integrating Tree Stress and Implication for Agroforestry Research in Africa. First Stop Research 281-10-8504. 18. Peering into the fire and exploration of volcanic ecosystem service. Abstract Volcanic Ecosystem Service (AS) is a topic that has been overlooked in the post-nature surface literature focusing on many ecosystem surface of volcanic disaster. Referensi Cook B. Malinowski L. D. B. et al. 2022 Peering into the fire and exploration of volcanic ecosystem service 55-10-14-35. 15. The complex relationship between contraception and abortion. Abstract, the incidence of abortion is determined by the incidence of unwanted or unwanted pregnancy and the tendency to have an abortion detected and it. Referensi Cleland G. 2020 The Complex Relationship Between Contraception and Abortion, Best Practice and Research Clinical Observation and Ginecology 62 PP 90 100. 20 toward sustainable palm oil production, the positive and negative impacts on ecosystem surface and human well-being. After palm oil is an important commodity contribution to livelihood of many communities, GDP of governments, and the achievement of several sustainable development goals, including no poverty, zero hunger, and decent work and economic growth. Referensi IMP LN ME Gobi et al. 2021 towards sustainable palm oil production, the positive and negative impacts and ecosystem surface and human well-being, Journal of Cleaner Production. 21. Household, resolve, and individual strategies abstract the question of difference in interest and preference is posed over the use of household resources and the consequence of the conflicting view and has existed for a long time in the development literature, albeit in a somewhat distorted manner. Referensi Dickens S. Duma C. Labe et al. 2020 Cost of Resource and Individual Strategies for Development 135 10 575. 20. Repenting Haji Western Soil in the topic with Bioka application, what we know and what is needed. Abstract the rapid withering of the base metal and the rapid mineralization of organic matter due to predominant climatic conditions followed by the development of acidity and the loss depletion of nutrients due to intensive agricultural practice as associated with soil fertility in the past-tropical regions of the world. Referensi Basak B. Sarkar B. Saha et al. 2022 Repenting highly wetted soil in the tropic with Bioka application, what we know and what is needed. Science of the total environment 822 15 34 61. B. 23 copy by product derivative result review abstract. Copy is the most common method and there are two main ways to process copy series. Referensi Vision and Coco S. Kasuchi C. et al. 2021 copy by product derivative resource review biomass and bioenergi 148 10 60 09. 24 The recent use of Sweetenia Maloney LJS anti-diabetes type 2 Phytomedicine a systematic review. Abstract background nature source after drinking green and molecular action in coping with diabetes. Examine the atypical oral anti-diabetes. Referensi Sukardiman Elvina M. 2020 The recent use of Sweetenia mahagoni LZ as anti-diabetes type 2 Phytomedicine a systematic review. Helion 6 E03536. 25 Determinants of malnutrition among children a systematic review. Abstract malnutrition in children is a major public health problem by 2020 problem. Referensi Carthage or L 2022 Determinant of Malnutrition Among Children as Systematic Review Nutrition 96 11 1965. 26 Endometriosis Etiology Pathology and Therapeutic Prospect. Abstract summary. Endometriosis is a condition associated with common infertility that causes chronic pain in many but not all women. Referensi Souders PTK Code AW 2021 Endometriosis Etiology Pathology and Therapeutic Prospect Sel 1434428077824. 27 and Consis review of biochar application to agricultural soil, the improved soil condition and fight pollution. Abstract soil application of biochar can play an important role in nutrient dynamics, soil contamination, and change in microbial function. Referensi Saban M. L. Baslet et al. 2018 a Consis review of biochar application to agricultural soils, the improved soil condition and fight pollution. Journal of Environmental Management 228 CP 429 29440. 28 Health Soils, the backbone of productive, safe, and sustainable urban agriculture. 29 Toward an improved understanding of greenhouse gas emission and fluxes in tropical wetlands of Southeast Asia. 30 A review of microplastic impact on sugargrass habitats and associated sediment communities. 31 Molecular phytomechanism of cervical cancer. 32 Spinocerebellar ataxia in Asia, prevalence, phenotypes, and management. 33 Laparoscopic myomectomy versus open myomectomy in uterine fibroid treatment, meta-analysis. 34 Evolution of the WHO Semen Processing Manual from the first 1980 to the 6th edition 2021. 35 Factor Effective Genetic and Severe Variability of Jatropha L across the globe. 36 Fluoride current health problem detection and remediation method for drinking water and comprehensive review. 37 Nutraceutical value of Carica papaya review. 38 Improving soil health and closing the yield on cocoa production in Ghana review. 39 Integrate biorefinery strategy for the utilization of palm oil wastes. 40 Biochar and its twin benefit crop residue management and climate change mitigation in India. 41 Sexual health care provision in cancer nursing, a systematic review on the state of evidence on reaching international compensation for the cancer nursing. 42 Promising ratio in development in male contraception. 43 The semi-salt landscape on tropical mammoth and the Anthropocene. 4, genomic and effective candidate of edible insects. 45, Wolbachia, a tool for livestock ectoparasit control. 46, degradation of plastic associated with the COVID-19 pandemic. 47, Wolbachia, a tool for livestock ectoparasit control. 48, endocrine disrupting compound conference detection methods, effect and promising treatment pathways and critical review. 49, resorption recovery from industrial influence of the cultivation of E. coli review. 50, effective utilization of waste in value-added byproduct, systematic review of state-of-art and future perfected abstract. Rice is a conventional crop that is produced majorly in the South and the Southeast region of Asia. Integration of a considerable amount of biomass red straw in the field during the harvesting process. Referensi Patel M 2022, effective utilization of rice straw in value added byproduct, a systematic review of state-of-art and future perspective, biomass and bioenergy 159, 10, 64, 11. Baiklah, hanya itu yang dapat saya sampaikan. Lebih dan kurang mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.